Ever wished your to-do list just finished itself? Let's dive into Teresa Torres's automated Claude AI method.
Seriously, imagine waking up and finding your most tedious, boring tasks totally done overnight.
For Torres, that's reality. Her AI agents literally prep meetings and transcripts before her alarm even rings. But hold on, this automated dream, it can easily become a nightmare with unsafe, broad access setups.
Giving AI unrestricted access? Yeah, that leads to horror stories of wasted hours and massive surprise bills. So instead, Torres uses a brilliantly scoped, token-efficient system. It prioritizes tight security and totally predictable costs.
She pulls this off using a highly secure 4-pillar blueprint. It keeps the AI safely contained.
Okay, Pillar 1, identity. Every single AI team member gets a highly specific, super specialized role.
A starter file sets your universal safety limits, while custom prompts give agents their exact job context.
Moving on, Pillar 2 is the scheduler. Think of this as their alarm clock telling them to work. Mac's built-in launch agents handle this perfectly. They reliably automate the whole schedule for you on a timer.
This runs Claude headless. Basically, the AI works silently in the background with zero human interaction required.
Right, so Pillar 3 covers tasks. How do we actually assign work to these invisible background agents?
It's all managed right in Obsidian using a wonderfully simple folder structure to organize the workload.
You just create a basic task file. When the agent wakes up, boom, it completes what's due.
Finally, Pillar 4 is security. This is crucial for safely accessing your tools and local data. Instead of risky full drive access, you use scoped, read-only utility scripts to lock everything down tight.
The secret sauce? You review every script Claude writes, guaranteeing it only accesses exactly what's needed.
This whole system maximizes your subscription, totally prevents surprise bills, and is incredibly token efficient.
And honestly, the best part? You can build this entire highly secure workflow in about an hour.
So who will you hire first? Read Torres's full article on Product Talk on org to dive deeper.